Alrighty, so this is my new toy. I just got it the other day. I've had it for a while. I don't know what it's gonna shoot like. I'm very excited to shoot it, but it's an LWRC M6A2. That's 5.56 caliber. It's a short-barreled rifle, 10.5-inch barrel with Magpul in-bus sights, Myad grip, Viltor stock, and I've got the AFG grip on the front. So we'll see how that shoots. And we're gonna load it up here, and I also have the Phase 5 Tactical VB2, which is the don't know what it's called actually. Damn it! What is this called?
A battery assist device?
Yeah, I forgot the term for it. Either way, we're gonna look how it shoots here, and then we're gonna operate the weapon, and you'll see here. And there's cars coming, and just watch them.
Extended battery release.
Extended EBR. Extended battery release. EBR.
Trevor, I thought you were going to break in.
I am, I just did.
Run a snake through it.